Hi guys, I'll be doing a quick unboxing today of this new vacuum that we got. This is the Dyson Outsize Total Cleans. This is a bit bigger than our old ones. I'm going to show you the old one later. So we're just going to open this. Right. So I'm a bit excited because I'm the one doing the vacuuming here. And I'm happy that we have the new one. There's your user manual is online. Online now. So these are the brushes. Yeah. So this is for the tiles. This one. So brushes. So I need to assemble this one. Oh, red! I like it. Did you choose this? Wow, red. They know my favorite color. Oh my god, this is big. Oh my god, it's massive. Wow. It looks powerful. So I'm gonna compare the old one, guys, so you can see. This is our old one. This is amazing. Look, it's tiny. This is the one I like. Bigger. Bigger. I like bigger. Woo! Wow. I hope it will last. The battery will last long as well. So we'll try this out, guys. Wow. Where's the for the carpet? Oh, they're still here. This is the charger because it's chargeable. Oh, it's different. This is the one for the couch, right? Oh, it's quite different. Nice. I need to show them. I need to show them. And this is for the carpet. All right. Wow. It's big. It's red and it's big. Woohoo!
Who would have ever thought a woman was so excited about a vacuum cleaner?
I'm excited because I always vacuum every day. And it's pissing me off, the old one. So this one, like, whoo, thank God. Oh my God, this is big. I'll try it now.
You need to charge it.
Oh, really? No, it's...
Charge it.
Do I need to charge it first?
Yeah, you got to charge it first.
I'll just vacuum like a bit. To show them.
Damage the battery. Charge it, then show them.
Oh, guy.
So excited to vacuum.
I want to vacuum now. Okay, I need to charge this one first, guys, and I'll show you later once it's charged. Charging. Oh, this is cool because you can see if it's full. How many percent charge?
The next day.
Good afternoon, everyone. So our vacuum is fully charged now. We charged this overnight, but I don't know how many hours it charged. But as soon as it's fully charged, it just turns off itself. So I'm gonna try this one now. It's bigger than me, guys. All right, so let's try this one. Ooh, it sounds so powerful as well. Wow, look at that, guys. Lots of fur, dog fur and cat fur. Once you finish vacuum, just remove this one and push down this red thing here, and the stuff will just come out and done. So yep, easy peasy. Alright guys, I really love this new vacuum that we got. It's way more powerful, better battery life, it lasts longer, it's bigger filter. So if you have pets like us, we have 2 dogs and 2 cats, this one is perfect. But if you have pets and you have this one, it's not good, it sucks. So what I don't like about this old one is the filter. It's tiny, so I always clean 3 times a week, which is annoying. And the container itself, it's small, so it's easy to get full. So this one is better. If you don't have pets, this one is fine. But if you have pets like us, this one is better. Right guys, that's it. Just giving you an idea of this new vacuum that we got. So that's all my video for today, and thank you so much once again for watching. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.